There are a few things you should consider before attending your first yoga exercise. Firstly, it's important to set a goal. Having a goal in mind can help you stay motivated and focused during your practice. This could be anything from wanting to increase flexibility, reduce stress, or simply to get fit. Setting a clear and actionable goal can help you measure your progress and achieve the results you desire. Next, you should know what to wear. While it's important to wear something that is comfortable, there are a few guidelines that can help you choose the right clothes for yoga. Avoid loose clothing that may get in the way or restrict your movement, especially during poses like downward dog. Opt for high-waist leggings or trousers that will keep you covered and secure during your practice. Layering on top can help you stay warm during savasana and allow you to shed layers as you heat up. Men can wear a t-shirt and elastic waist shorts, while women can wear a tank top and yoga or leggings pants. It's also important to note that yoga is practiced barefoot, so be sure to remove your socks before starting your practice. By setting a goal and wearing the appropriate clothing, you'll be better prepared to enjoy your first yoga exercise. Remember to listen to your body, breathe deeply, and enjoy the journey. Are you wondering what to eat before your yoga practice? It's important to remember that heavy meals should be avoided 2 hours prior to your practice. Doing yoga on a full stomach can cause discomfort, nausea, and may even affect those around you. But that doesn't mean you should practice yoga on an empty stomach either. Yoga requires a lot of energy, so it's important to have a light snack before your practice. You can try snacking on some nuts and yogurt or fruits like bananas and dates. These snacks will provide you with the energy you need without leaving you feeling too full. Remember, practicing yoga on a light stomach can enhance your experience and help you stay focused and comfortable throughout your practice. So, choose your snack wisely, and enjoy your yoga practice with peace of mind. To practice yoga effectively, it's important to familiarize yourself with the commonly used yoga terms, specifically the Sanskrit language, which is used in yoga instruction. Without knowing these terms, you may find yourself feeling lost and confused during a yoga class that is taught in a mix of Sanskrit and English. To help you out, here are some of the most frequently used Sanskrit terms and their meanings. Asana, a pose or posture. Tadasana, mountain pose. Savasana, corpse pose, which is the final resting pose in a yoga class. Pranayama, controlled breathing. Bandha, the tightening of your muscles. Namaste, a respectful greeting used in yoga. Utkatasana, chair pose. Vinyas, a series of poses linked together with breath. Mantra, the repetition of words or syllables. Chanting Om, a sound used by yogis to unite energy and bring sacredness into their practices. By learning these terms and their meanings, you'll be able to follow along with ease during your yoga practice and better understand the instructions from your yoga teacher. Enjoy your yoga practice with peace of mind. Great news! It's time for you to learn some basic yoga poses that can be done either at home or in a studio under the guidance of a teacher. These poses are great for strengthening your body and calming your mind. Let's take a look at each pose and its benefits. Mountain pose, or Tadasana, is a foundational yoga pose that may look simple, but it's essential for proper alignment and posture. To do the mountain pose, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward, and distribute your weight evenly on both feet. Engage your thigh muscles and lift your kneecaps, while tucking your tailbone in and lengthening your spine. Relax your shoulders down and away from your ears, and extend your arms alongside your body, with your palms facing forward. Take a deep breath and feel your body becoming grounded, stable, and aligned. Mountain pose may seem simple, but it helps improve posture, balance, and awareness of your body's alignment. It's a great way to start any yoga practice, and you can even practice it anywhere, anytime, to bring more mindfulness and presence into your day. Child's pose, also known as balasana, is a gentle and restorative pose that can be used as a break during a yoga practice. To come into this pose, begin on your hands and knees, then bring your big toes together and widen your knees to hip-width apart. Slowly lower your hips back towards your heels and stretch your arms out in front of you. Rest your forehead on the mat and relax your entire body, breathing deeply. Downward facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana in Sanskrit, is a common pose in yoga that provides numerous benefits for both the mind and body. This pose is often used as a transition pose in a yoga sequence or as a resting pose. To perform downward facing dog, start on your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Then, tuck your toes under and lift your hips up and back, straightening your arms and legs to form an inverted V shape with your body. In this pose, you should feel a stretch in your hamstrings, calves, and spine. It also helps to strengthen your arms, shoulders, and legs, and can relieve tension in your neck and shoulders. Downward facing dog is known to improve circulation, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve digestion. It can also help to energize the body and calm the mind, making it a great pose to include in your daily yoga practice. The cat/cow pose, also known as Marjryasana to Bitalasana. This is a gentle and easy yoga pose that can help warm up your spine and improve your flexibility. It is great for beginners, but can also be a useful pose for experienced yogis as a warm-up exercise. To begin, come onto your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Start by arching your back and inhaling deeply, lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. This is the cow pose or Bitalasana. As you exhale, round your spine and bring your chin to your chest. This is the cat pose or Marjryasana. Continue flowing between these two poses, inhaling as you arch your back and exhaling as you round your spine. The cat/cow pose can help improve your posture, stretch your spine, and relieve tension in your neck, shoulders, and back. It can also help massage your internal organs and promote better digestion. Remember to move at your own pace and never force your body into a pose. With regular practice, you can increase your flexibility and strengthen your core muscles. Thank you for practicing the cat/cow pose with me today. Plank pose is an excellent yoga pose for strengthening your core, arms, and shoulders. It is a foundational pose in yoga that is often incorporated into a vinyas flow or practiced on its own. To perform this pose, start in a push-up position with your arms straight and your hands shoulder-width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, engaging your core muscles to maintain stability. Keep your gaze on the floor, and hold the pose for several breaths, making sure to keep your shoulders down and away from your ears. You can modify this pose by lowering your knees to the ground or by placing your forearms on the ground for a forearm plank. Plank pose can help improve your posture, increase your overall strength, and prepare you for more challenging yoga poses. Make sure to practice this pose regularly to reap its benefits.